view, we are giving Hawaii's endangered honeycreepers a fighting chance, enabling the sea heck or Guam kingfisher its first flight in the wild in 30 years, protecting our native forests for the critical capture of fresh water and safeguarding unique and endangered species. We are learning which corals are most resistant to warming ocean temperatures, helping communities sustainably co-manage reef fisheries, joining with partners to build a more resilient future, and embracing our heritage so that nature and people can thrive. Mahalo nui loa for your ongoing support.